numbers. 1 by x. In the exponential form, it can be written as x to the power minus 1. If it is 1 by x square, in the exponential form, 1 by x square can be written as x to the power 2 with a negative sign, or x to the power minus 2. In general, 1 by x to the power m, which is equal to the denominator moves to the numerator with a negative sign in the power. So 1 by x to the power m can be written as x to the power minus m. If a by b to the power minus m, so here the power is negative. We have to change the power into a positive power. The negative power must be changed into positive. So we must take the reciprocal of a by b. Here 1 by x is the reciprocal of x. 1 by x square is the reciprocal of x square. 1 by x raised to m is the reciprocal of x raised to m. So in the same way, a by b to the power negative m can be written as b by a to the power m. So to change the negative power into a positive power, take the reciprocal of the base. A by b changed to b by a and the power changed to positive. 1 by 5. We know that 1 by 5 is the reciprocal of 5. So to express 1 by 5 in terms of powers or in exponential form, how will we write it? We know that 1 by x is always written in the exponential form as x to the power minus 1. So 1 by 5 can be written as 5 to the power minus 1. Now let us do some more examples on negative powers. The question is to express the following as negative exponents. We have to express the given exponential form in negative exponent. Here the exponent is positive. So to change minus 5 to the power 2. Here the power is positive. The question is express minus 5 to the power 2 in negative exponent. Here we know that the power is positive. So to convert the power into a negative exponent, we have to take the reciprocal. So how will we write it in negative exponent? Take the reciprocal of the base, minus 1 by 5 to the power minus 2. Second question, minus 9 by 11 to the power 9. We have to express this in negative exponent. We know that a by b to the power m is equal to, take the reciprocal of the base b by a to the power minus m. Here also positive power. To change it into the negative power, take the reciprocal of the base. So reciprocal of base is minus 11 by 9 to the power negative. So minus 11 by 9 to the power minus 9.